Alright, so today we will be learning about fractions, and this can be used in a third grade classroom. So the word problem we're going to look at today reads, Sam has 28 Flaming Hot Cheetos. She ate 3/4 of them. How many does she have left? So when we're looking at fractions, we're looking at equal parts of a whole. So we first need to split up our whole, which is 28, into 4 parts. We can also do 28 divided by 4. So we know that we need 7 groups of 4. So we'll take our color counters for the set model, or 4 groups of 7, and make 4 groups of 7. We'll first keep them all the same color so that we can see our 4 groups. Okay, so now we can see that we took our whole, which was 28, and we split it into 4 different groups of 7 equal pieces. So now we're interested in 3/4 of those groups because that's what Sam ate. So we can turn our color counters over to yellow to represent 3/4 of 28. Okay, so now we can count and see how many Sam ate in total. So she ate 7, 14, 21. And our word problem asks us how many does she have left. So we can see by our one group that is left unturned that she has 7 Cheetos left over if she ate 3/4 of them. So another way that we can look at this model is using the linear model. And this can also help address the misconception that students have about directionality, and as well as how fractions need to be equal groups. They can't just be groups of random sizes. So when using our linear model, we once again want to split up our number line into 4 equal sections because we're looking for 3/4. So I labeled my number line from 0 to 28, and now I can split it into 4 equal sections, which we know from the previous problem that will be 7. So we'll split it into groups of 7. And this first line will represent 1/4. The second line will represent 2/4 or 1/2. This third line will represent 3/4, and this last line where 28 is 4/4 or 1, because that is our whole. So now we want to find 3/4 of the Cheetos that she ate. So using a different color, we can shade 3/4 of our number line. And once again, we can see that 3/4 is equal to 21, because if we count by 7s, we get 7, 14, 21, and then we'll look at our one last unshaded section and see that we have 7 Cheetos left. So using both of these demonstrations, we can see that if Sam had 28 Flaming Hot Cheetos and she ate 3/4 of them, she will have 7 Cheetos left.